I'm Maria Louie Pangaliban, commonly known as Doc Louie.
My name is Kenesha Chantal Entingson, or Dr. Ken for short.
Our goal is to give back to our community. Siyempre, provide quality service that will last for a lifetime. Every treatment plan that we make for every patient is tailored according to what is needed and what is urgent.
Treatment outcomes, and ini-improve talaga namin with all our efforts and with all our heart yung clinical success rate ng patients namin, yung longevity ng restoration, yung health ng patient, both dental, oral, and overall well-being. And of course, yung happiness nila, satisfaction nila sa treatment, yung the way namin sila i-handle, yun talaga yung tinatry namin i-improve over time.
Make sure that everything is well-planned and well-explained to the patient. Find us here at Luxe Smiles Dental Center, located sa Southwoods, Coral Center, 3rd floor and
This is the model of a dental implant and dental bridge. Kapag missing yung one tooth mo, yung dental implants, it doesn't really do anything to the adjacent teeth. So, maglalagay lang ng dental implant dito, wala ka nang gagawin sa mga kapila, sa mga ibang pen. Kapag naman dental bridge yung option mo, kailangan pa siyang i-prepare and i-remove yung tooth structure para ma-replace yung missing tooth. Lahat na nakikita nyo ngayon, these are all our implant kits. This is what we use when we do dental implant. These are different brands kasi yung mga dental implants, iba-iba siya. Meron Korea, may Germany, may US. Yun. So, any kind of dental implants, any brand, pwede ma-accommodate dito. Kasi meron din mga for guided surgery, lalo na dun sa mga pasyente na wala talagang ipin. Hindi ko makapit yung dentures. Our clinic is also equipped with dental implant machine. Our lifetime goal is your lifetime smile.